Hey guys, Diana here. So I finally got my March Ipsy and this is what the bag looks like. So let's dig in. First thing I see is a card that says create on it. And the first thing I got in here is the Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. And the color I got is called Bellini. And it's this highlighter right here. It's pink, it's pretty. I can do a little swatch and show you guys what I have. It's kind of sheer, but buildable. Next thing I have in here is the Hikari. And this one is the cream pigment. And, oh gosh, here we go. So I have a bronzy eyeshadow pigment. I don't know if I like it. I'm most likely gonna just give this away because I have too many of this color in my collection. And next thing I have is the glossier. This is the lip balm in mint. Don't really care for it. Don't like lip balms. Next thing in here we have is like these little pens where you can color this little bag, which gets creative. I get it. Next thing I have in here is the Aurora lip gloss in Fairy. It's a pretty peachy pink color. I like it, definitely me. And last we have is the Tarte. This is the Sex Kitten eyeliner in black. This is one of those mini ones. And I can do a little swatch. And the pigmentation is good. So these are the things I have in my Ipsy. Okay guys, so out of the items, I could definitely see myself using the baked highlighter. This is a good one, so I like this one. I can definitely, I'm definitely keeping this. This is a really good one. You can never have too much, black eyeliner in your collection. I could see myself using Aurora lip gloss. This is a pretty color, definitely me. Out of the collection, I did not like was the glossier, the balm, and then of course the little eyeshadow that I mentioned. So those are the two items I would not use. Okay guys, so that was it, what I had in my Ipsy bag. Remember to follow me on my social media. On my Instagram, it's at DianaZiaMUA, and hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell. Until next time, bye guys.